by chance, your eyes pull me in the mystic dance. Every word you say a melody, nobody else but you and me. Walking streets of dreams, your hand in mine, our hearts beat in an eternal rhyme. Every moment feels like destiny, together forever, just you and me. You are my destiny, can't you see? We'll soar high like ships upon the sea. This love we share is our legacy, forever and always, you and me. In the night you came to light my way, turn the darkest night into brightest day. Every step we take a beat divine. With your love I know the stars align. Oh no, storms may come and skies may turn to gray, but with you by my side I won't sway. Through thick and thin we'll face what's unknown. With your love by my side I'm home. You are my destiny, can't you see? We'll soar high like ships upon the sea. This love we share is our legacy, forever and always, you and me. You are my destiny, can't you see? We'll soar high like ships upon the sea. This love we share is our legacy, forever and always, you and me. You and me. Lonely nights are whispering your name, empty rooms, they never feel the same. Through the haze I see your shadow clear. Oh how I wish, oh wish you were here. Sunsets fade like echoes of your smile. Every step I take feels like a mile. The winds are cold, they sting me like a tear, wishing you were here, my dear. Counting the stars every night, imagining your arms wrapped tight, lost in a dream so near. Oh how I wish, oh how I wish you were here. Memories, they linger in the air. In my heart I'm sending you a prayer. Every heartbeat calls you, my dear. Oh how I wish, oh wish you were here. Oh, you were here. Sun moves slow when you're away. Days feel longer, night and day. Forever longing you, my dear. Oh how I wish you were here. Counting the stars every night, imagining your arms wrapped tight, lost in a dream so near. Oh how I wish, oh how I wish you were here. Counting the stars every night, imagining your arms wrapped tight, lost in a dream so near. Oh how I wish, oh how I wish you were here. Counting the stars every night, imagining your arms wrapped tight, whispers in the dark. I lost my way, but found your spark. You're my moon in the ebony sky. Our love will never say goodbye. You are everything to me, from sunrise to the deep blue sea. Holding on with all my might. You are my day and night. Every heartbeat calls your name. In your eyes, I see no shame. Our love like a story untold. Together we'll grow. You are everything to me, from sunrise to the deep blue sea. Holding on with all my might. You are my day and night. Even when the world turns cold, with you I am brave and bold. No matter where the winds may sway, in your arms I'll always stay. You are everything to me, from sunrise to the deep blue sea. Holding on with all my might. You are my day and under moon so high tonight, caught in your everlasting light. Heart's a puzzle, you're the piece. In your arms I find my peace. Stars whisper your name in code. Feelings flare, they start to grow. In this dance of love so slow, tell you now I'll never let you go. Will never let you go. Through the rain and through the snow, in your eyes my future goes. With you I'll face what life bestows. Every touch a symphony, woven threads of you and me, building castles in the sky. With you time begins to fly. Love's a language we both know. Pages turn, our story flows.